morning and namaste everyone. Today we have planned to visit Katara culture village. Our aim to see the beautiful sunrise from Katara village. Let's go together. We're gonna explore more things.
Finally, Ujjwal bhaiलाई भेट्यो.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
Finally, Katara पुग्यो.
Uta.
Back memories bring back you. Memories bring back memories.
Finally, Katara पुग्यो. मास्क पनि लगाइयो. ल भ्यू चाहिँ मर्निङ भ्यू जस्तो छ. उज्जवल भाइ.
Finally we have reached in Qatar.
वाउ ल. Morning view of Katara. Daju. Finally, Daju, destination reached. This guy is over there. Ujjwal is also over there.
When I believed in forever, everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like December. Somebody say your day.
All set to go there.
Yeah, almost done.
Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. Everything gon' be.
सन्देश भाइ आजको ट्रिप कस्तो भयो
ठिकै रमाइलो हुँदैछ होइन
इन्जोय गरेर छन् बाँकीहरू सब चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ भिडियो सेसन हुँदैछ गाइस वेलकम
यो चाहिँ एकदमै रमणीय ठाउँ छ एकदमै स्वागत छ आउनुहोस् घुम्नुहोस् मनोरञ्जन गर्नुहोस् अमेजिङ प्लेस सी द ब्युटी अफ दिस प्लेस
Hello guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hello Ujjwal, how are you?
I'm good, I'm fine.
First time you have been here, yeah?
Yes.
So tell me how's the experience?
Feeling excited and enjoying also. It's really a good place to enjoy.
Okay. Like anything else you want to add?
Amazing guys, visit here and enjoy the moment. Life is beautiful.
Sandesh?
It was great to be here with you guys. Thanks.
Okay, keep loving and like, comment and subscribe to our Dice video channel, Deepen Vlogs.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the
हिँड्दै दो बाटोमा तिमी त कहाँ हराइदियौ
आज तै केही शब्द जाओस् न त हाम्रो
के
दाइको
हुनु र सर हाम्रो त एकदम दुःखपूर्ण लाइफ चल्दैछ विदेशमा यस्तै हो कति भयो आउनु भएको होइन धेर भएको छैन सर 5-7 वर्ष त भयो यहीँ काम गर्नुहुन्छ सबै ठिक छ नि राम्रो छ नि
एकदम
रमाइलो छ चल्दैछ सब।
नेपालवासीलाई केही भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ दुई शब्द?
नेपालवासीलाई त विदेश झुकेर नआउनुहोस् त्यही हो शुभकामना।
ल ख्याल सट्टा ल असो दाजु पनि जानुभयो घोडा दिएर जानुभयो त झुकेर पनि नआउनु अरे
Wherever you are, I believe that
It was amazing morning, guys. You can see it's a beautiful sunrise from Katara, and this is one of the best spots here in Qatar to have beautiful sunrise view. Okay, guys, this is the perfect place for the relaxment. If you have stress from your work, if you are trying to find some space, peaceful place, relaxment, this is the perfect place. Very beautiful morning here. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Truly, strongly agree.
heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're gone.
Where are you from, bro?
From Sudan.
Sudan. How are you?
Yeah, how are you guys?
Very Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in next video very soon. Stay tuned, stay smiling. Till then, sayonara, bye bye.
Okay.